first shift few questions. Some part of questions I have collected from some of my friends. Questions may be not fully questions, but answer is correct. You can message down your questions and answers, and you can clarify your doubts. Let us discuss 40 questions. Helmich maneuver is used for treat upper airway obstruction. Helmich maneuver is used for treat upper airway obstruction. ISRO headquarter, Bangalore. ISRO headquarter, Bangalore. Pernicious anemia caused by which vitamin deficiency? Vitamin B12. In a hospital, blue color pipe is used for nitrous oxide. In hospital, blue color pipe is used for nitrous oxide. From this picture, you have to identify what examination is going there. This is lateral grip. Lateral grip examination to identify the locate fetal positions. Which state boundary is not touched with Madhya Pradesh? Correct answer is Odisha. Odisha not touched with Madhya Pradesh. Rafale war flights came from France. Correct answer is France. Rafale war flights came from France. Injection lignocaine use local anesthetic. What is acrocyanosis? A condition marked by bluish or purple coloring of the hands and feet caused by slow circulation. That is acrocyanosis. There may be bluish purple coloring of the hands and feet, lack of circulation. After death, corneal grafts should be removed within 6 hours. Due to eye transplantation and all, we have to remove corneal graft within 6 hours. Oxytocin is secreted by pituitary gland. Oxytocin is secreted by pituitary gland. The first vaccine discovered is smallpox vaccine. First vaccine discovered is smallpox vaccine. All these questions are very simple. With simplicity of this examination, the cutoff mark will be high. Lorazepam challenge test is used to diagnose catatonia. Catatonic excitement, patient will be administered lorazepam. If it is positive, there will be diagnosis of catatonia, catatonic excitement, catatonic schizophrenia and all. We have to use lorazepam challenge test. Identify the position. Reverse Trendelenburg position. Reverse Trendelenburg position. Trendelenburg position means the head will be down. So here it is. Reverse Trendelenburg position. IV cannula gauge. From this picture, which IV cannula is? 20 gauge IV cannula. Pink color 20 gauge. The knee flexed and palpate deep in the midline is the pulse felt by the nurse is popliteal pulse. Popliteal pulse, the knee flexed and palpate deep in the midline is the pulse felt by the nurse, that is popliteal pulse. Director of AIIMS New Delhi is Randeep Guleria. Which is not a computer input device? Scanner, printer, mouse, keypad. Correct answer is printer. Printer is not an input device. Keyboard, mouse, scanner, all are input device. Function of fallopian tube. The fallopian tubes are bilateral conduits between the ovaries and the uterus in the female pelvis. They function as channels for oocyte transport and fertilization. Fertilization taking place from the fallopian tube. Ambulatory part of the fallopian tube. Extra calorie needed in pregnancy 500 kilocalorie. 500 kilocalorie extra calorie needed in pregnancy. President of Syria Bashar al-Assad. President of Syria Bashar al-Assad. CEO of Google Sundar Pichai. CEO of Google Sundar Pichai. Cyanotic spell seen in tetralogy of Fallot. TOF. Jackson's Pratt drainage used in abdominal surgery. Jackson's Pratt drainage used in abdominal surgery. Picture is given here. Jackson-Pratt drainage. Fetal movement seen in 14 to 16 weeks. Fetal movement seen in 14 to 16 weeks. That is quickening. First fetal movement felt by mother 14 to 16 weeks. That is quickening. Silent MI seen in diabetes. Silent myocardial infarction seen in diabetes because there will be no pain because of DM disease. Patient may have pain-free. Silent MI. Malnutrition is assessed by anthropometric measurements. That is weight, height and skin fold thickness. Malnutrition is assessed by anthropometric measurements. Pain more occur in second degree burns. There will be more pain in second degree burns. Drugs contraindicated in pregnancy. Streptomycin. Most of the questions we have discussed earlier. These questions all we discussed earlier. Drugs contraindicated in pregnancy. Streptomycin. Which is not a social media platform. Microsoft is not a social media platform. Disulfiram is used for treating alcoholism. Disulfiram is used to treating alcoholism. Disulfiram is a drug. Fractious disorder and malignant disorder. Fractious disorder is a mental illness classified as a somatic symptom disorder. There will be body sensation. Patient may think that he may have cancer or other serious illness. He will be sensitive with body symptoms. That is a fractious disorder. This questions came from psychiatry. Malignant disorder. Persons exaggerate or make up symptoms of an illness, either physical or psychiatric. Clonidine side effects, dry mouth, dizziness. Clonidine side effects, dry mouth or dizziness. Normal fetal heart rate 120 to 160 beats per minute. ET2 5.5 used in child. So I got 35 questions from the first shift examination. We can upload remaining questions in coming videos. Please stay tuned with us. Please like and share this video to your friends. If you remember any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.